everyone, today is winter. It is -3 Celsius here. The sun is shining but all is frozen. Not only our window, but also the car. Today I will go to the grocery store, but first I have to scratch the auto from ice. It's freezing outside. But I will not do it. I will use this spray. It is called Infroster spray in German. Come, join me. Make sure to check your wiper blades free from ice and not sticking to the windshield, as this can damage the rubber blade when you use it. Before you drive, make sure that glass is free from snow or ice to prevent accident.